a script is just to help you in the beginning, and then you come up with your own, right? It's like the bones. Like, we all have the same bones, but we all look different. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta put your own spin off it, right? So, okay, this is what I got so far. So we're just gonna run a little role play. All right. So I'll go first. This is work 2 for 2, and it's working right now. So, okay. Who wants to be the buyer? Be the buyer. All right. Okay. So pauses are very important, and the whole point of these calls is to get the people comfortable with you, right? Comfortable and open to you. You don't want to sound like a salesman. That's rule number 1. You do not want to come off like a salesman. You don't want to come off like you're reading a script, right? Like you're just having a casual conversation, right? So, okay. Hey, Austin?
Hey, yeah, that's me.
Hey, what's up, man? This is JR with Clutch Investment Group. I saw you show some interest in investment property here in San Antonio. Are you still looking?
Yeah. If it's a good deal, this number's got to make sense for me.
Right. Man, well, I got good news for you, man. So here at Clutch, man, we sell about 15 to 20 off-market properties every single month. So we definitely have good deals. What is it that you're looking for right now?
Right now, honestly, I'm looking for some buy and holds, with the way the market's going.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're looking for some buy and holds. So is there any like certain criteria that you're looking for, or like certain parts of town, rehab numbers, ARVs? Do you want to stick anywhere?
Yeah, I'm not looking in the east or west, mainly, north, northeast, northwest.
Gotcha. Okay, well, we do get a handful of those every single month. Most of our properties are, more in the gentrified areas. The north is a little harder to find, but we do get really good deals in the east, south, and west that cash flow really good. Would you be open to looking at those if I could provide you with really good cash flow numbers?
Yeah, for sure. I'll look at all your deals as long as the numbers make sense.
Yeah, because we have like big groups that buy, and right now I'm freestyling, right? This is where salesmanship comes in. I can't put this on a script, right? This is called building rapport and making a sale, right? I can't teach you like word for word what to say, but it's a sale, right? Because right now you got to sell. So I would be like, yeah, man. So like we have a group called Lifestyles, and they're very all they do is buy for cash flow, and they buy in the west and south all day long because they look for strictly cash flow numbers. And in these sides of town, I can sell them to you pretty cheap, and the rents are pretty good, and you actually probably make more cash flow in this side of town with a good amount of equity. So I'd like to show you those.
Okay, for sure. Yeah,
right.
If you can prove me wrong, I'll do it.
All right, man, cool. So we also have hard money we work with that's pre-approved. We can get you in most of our properties for about $20,000 to $30,000, and with equity of over $20,000 to $30,000, so about 100% returns. So how's that sound, man?
Yeah, sounds good, man. What's your deals?
All right, cool. So the way we like to work here at Clutch Investment Group, man, is I have a VIP list that I work with, and those are the people that I send all my deals to. So in order to get on that list, all that I ask is that we meet in person here at my office, and we just I like to meet in person, and I like to show you exactly how we work. So when you do see a deal I like, we've already went over that, and it's very easy to buy a property because our properties sell pretty quickly. The good ones, they sell within 24 hours. So I like to get that out the way, put you on my VIP list, and from there I'll send you every single deal I have to your email, or I'll call you on it. How does that sound?
Man, like I'm super busy, bro. Like I don't think I have time to come to the office.
Okay,
for about 2 weeks.
That's fine. Like, so if you don't have time to come to the office, what we can do is we can meet at a property. Do you have time to come to a property?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, that's another thing we could do. We can meet at a property. When's a good day and so this is where you get them to commit to a date and a time. You put it on the calendar and you follow up, right? So this is the first part of the sale, right? This is the first part of the sale. So okay, so what day works best for you next week?
Monday.
Okay, and then what I like to do is I like to give them 2 options, one in the morning and one in the evening. Say, okay, so I have 11 a.m. open, or I have a 3 p.m. Do any of those work for you?
11 a.m. works for me.
11 a.m. works? All right, so look, what I'll go ahead and do is I'll put this on my calendar. I have your email here as blah, blah, blah. I'll send you a confirmation with the address, the date, and the time, and I'll follow up later that day. Is that fine?
Sounds good.
Boom, so you get them to commit. Boom, meeting done, right? So that's what we're aiming for right now, to set these meetings. All right, and I like, because a lot of people are going to tell you they don't want to come to the office, right? Mm-hmm. But if you say it the way I say it, most people, they won't have a problem. But you still have those people. Like, they're going to be there, okay? So next you go to a property. If they don't want to do that, then you'll go to a Zoom. If they don't want to do that, they're disqualified, bro. That's a tire kicker, straight up. We don't want to waste our time on that.
Hey, Sean.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, this is David with Clutch Investment Group. I saw you show some interest in investment property here in San Antonio. Are you still looking?
Yeah.
Awesome. What exactly are you looking for?
I'm looking for some fix and flips and buy and holds.
Fix and flips and buy and holds. Okay. How long have you been investing for?
For about 3 years now.
3 years. Wow.
Yeah.
I've actually been wholesaling for about 3 years now.
Oh, nice.
Yes, sir. The way we work here is at a Clutch Investment Group, we have a VIP list where we send all of our deals. We just like to meet our investors in person and go over how we how we work and get your buying criteria down and get to know each other. After that, I'll add you to my buyers list, and from then on, you'll get every single one of my deals.
Awesome.
All right, man. Well, what time works for you, or what day? Are you good this week, or we
I
can
can do next week, 2 p.m. on Tuesday.
All right, so leave it to me, man.
Damn, I like that bar.
Easy.
All right, so what do y'all think about this script? It's pretty simple, right?
Hard to read.
Do you like it though? Do you like the script? Do you want to try it out? It's like
It's
simple,
just
bro.
a basis, right? Yeah, like
Basics,
I
yeah.
can I
You
got
can
my
follow the
own
script?
little
Yeah, like the words in
spin-off on it.
between. Right. So I'm gonna type this out for y'all, and I'm gonna put it like by y'all's desk. Use it if you want, but it's working. All right, this is the playbook right here.
And once you get it, you can put your own little swag in it.
Right.
Okay.
All right, I want to do it one more time. Who wants to be a buyer?
I'll be a buyer.
All right, hey Sam.
Hello, yeah, who's this?
Hey man, this is JR with Clutch Investment Group. I saw you showed some interest in investment property here in San Antonio. Are you still looking?
Yeah, I'm actually looking for like 3 flips right now.
Oh wow, you're looking for 3 flips right now?
Yeah, I
Oh.
currently got done with my investment property, so I'm looking for 3 more.
Oh man, that's awesome. So I can definitely help you out with that. So over here at Clutch, man, we're selling about 20 off-market deals a month. So we do have good deals that are moving, and I definitely can help you out with that. Do you use like hard money or are you using cash?
I use cash for most of my transactions, but if you have some hard money lenders that I could work with, I'm open to that as well.
Oh, okay. So you're using cash, so I definitely can help you with that too. So what I always tell my people is I can leverage that money and get you like 3 to 4 more flips per 100,000. So like with about 30, 40,000, I can get you in a flip, and I could like exponentially increase your rate of return. So instead of making a 20% return on your money, using 100,000 to make 20 or something, I can get you to use that same money, but only use 30,000 of it to make about 20 or 30,000. Like, would you be interested in that?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, do you have hard money lenders you work with already?
Yeah, so I actually have some that we work directly with. They pre-approve all of our deals, and I can get you pre-approved with them. And once we do that, the transactions with us are pretty much seamless. So I can definitely help you there, man. What exactly are you looking for? Like, are you looking for any specific parts of town or anything?
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking for 3 twos, north, northwest, northeast side. I'm okay with the east side as well. Just as long as the numbers make sense.
Gotcha. Okay, well, sounds perfect, man. The way we work here at Clutch Investment Group is we have a VIP list where we send all our deals. The only thing I like to meet my investors in person and go over how we work and go over buying criteria, etc., so that when I do send you a deal that you like, you know exactly how to buy from me, and we don't lose out on the deals, because the deals here, the good ones, they sell in less than a day. So that being said, do you have time to come into the office maybe this week or next week?
So I mean, yeah, like I mentioned, I got a couple projects going on. I'm very busy during the day. How else could we go about this?
So the other thing we could do is we can meet at a property, or we could do a Zoom, and I can go over the same thing we do in a meeting.
Okay, yeah, I mean, I can meet you out at a property.
Okay, well, sounds good. What day works for you?
I mean, we could figure out something this week. Well, what properties do you have available for the moment?
Well, I have a good one that I want to show you on the east side. It might be sold by next week. So why don't we just set a day where we commit, and what properties that come up that day, I could show you that one, because our properties usually sell, within a few days.
Right. Okay. Well.
Like, will Monday work?
Yeah. Or I mean, let's just do something like Friday.
Okay, Friday works. I could do 11 or 3 p.m. Do any of those work for you?
Let's do 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do, I have your email right here, or you probably do or don't have his email. You ask for his email. I'm gonna send you an email with the date and the time, and then I'll follow up with the day before with an address. Okay? Does that sound good?
Yeah, that sounds fair.
All right, man. Well, hey, look, it's good talking to you, man, and I'll see you on Friday.
Sure.
Boom. So.